Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I've got something special for you, and that is the trend change indicator for MT4. All right, this indicator is going to take your trading game to the next level. If you have been struggling to spot trend reversals early and you want a clean, no nonsense tool that works across multiple assets, then you'll want to stick around for this one. Okay, let's talk about what this indicator actually does. I am going to add the indicator to the chart right now. All right, the trend change indicator. Just allow DLL imports. Okay. So here we go, right? Now, this is an indicator that shows real-time trend change. All right, it has, it is built on a smart set of price action based calculations. That means it reacts to actual shifts in the market. It's not random, it doesn't function with random lagging data. It is designed to pinpoint trend changes as they happen, giving you a clear visual cue when the market flips direction. So this makes it ideal for traders who rely on trend following strategies or who want to avoid fake outs and noise from lower time frames. All right, now when it comes to time frames, this indicator is most suitable for the 4-hour and the daily charts. All right, the 4-hour and the daily charts. Okay, you can use it on different time frames. All right, you can actually use this indicator on different time frames. You can use it on different time frames. It must not necessarily be only the 1-hour to daily, but it is suitable on the 1-hour and the daily time frames. Okay, and you can use it anything from 1 hour to daily, but you get the cleanest, most reliable signals on those higher time frames. All right, let me add it to another asset. Now, that's where the price action is more defined on the higher time frames. Okay, and this indicator absolutely thrives in those conditions. Whether you're trading Forex, crypto, commodities, indices, or CFDs, this tool adapts to all broker symbols. That kind of flexibility is hard to find in most MT4 indicators. Okay, now what really makes this trend change indicator stand out is the alert system. You can see that this particular indicator has an alert function. All right, you don't have to stay glued to your charts anymore. Once a new trend is detected, the indicator sends you a notification, right? So you're always in the loop, even if you are on the move. Okay, and here's the kicker: you can apply it to multiple charts at the same time. This is a game changer for those of you who track several pairs or instruments. You'll know exactly when each market shifts direction without juggling a dozen windows or indicators. Meanwhile, as you can see, that this indicator, basically it's an indicator that helps you identify the prevailing trend in the market, right? You can see that it functions with an arrow, and it also marks a blue area when it notices that the trend is shifting to a particular direction. You can see now that showing that the trend, initially we had the gold, this particular asset has been in a significant uptrend for a while. You can see for quite a long while, but the indicator, as you can see, it gives signals based on recent price activity. So you can see that the area that was marked is the area where the recent pullback ended, the most recent significant pullback. So you can see from this area to this area, you can see that this was where the indicator marked and then gave an up sign. So had it been you had entered a buy around here after the up sign appeared, you would have caught the pips all the way from here to this point, and it seems like the trend is still ongoing. All right. So when you want to use this indicator, you watch out for the area that is being marked by the indicator, and you look out for the arrow that is giving you the direction of the trend. Once that arrow appears, in fact, once this shaded area appears, you should start looking for opportunity, right? Then when the arrow appears, verifying the direction, you can decide to go to down to the lower time frame to find precise entry points, but ensure that you are trading in the direction of the trend. All right, ensure you are trading in the direction of the trend. Okay, let's just look at another example quickly. I want to look at another chart. Okay, let's try out the indicator on another chart. Okay, so the reason why I went to USD JPY is because USD JPY is currently in a downtrend. So we have already seen an example of an uptrend. I wanted us to see an example of a downtrend as well. That's why I went to USD JPY. So right now we can see that USD JPY is in a downtrend, and the indicator has highlighted this area, right? The indicator has highlighted this area, and here it has painted a down arrow. So this should be an opportunity to look for good entry points for a sell. All right, you should only be interested in a sell trade right now, okay, as the indicator has highlighted the trend is down, is prevailing, the momentum is strongly in the bearish direction. Okay, if you are a swing trader, a trend follower, or even a long-term position trader, this is the kind of tool you need in your arsenal. It's clean, quite precise, and straightforward. Okay, so what you see is what you trade, and since all calculations are done in real time, there is no guessing or second guessing involved, right? You can pair it with your own strategy or use it as a confirmation to strengthen your entries. It just works. All right, so if this indicator sounds like what you've been looking for, do me a favor, hit that like button and let the algorithm know this video brought you value. Subscribe to the channel if you want more real trading content, powerful tools, and walkthroughs that help you actually understand the markets. Let me know in the comments what pair or markets you're going to test this on first. Okay, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, trade smart, stay patient, and keep stacking that edge.